Annyeonghaseyo everyone, I'm your Korean language teacher Ahmed, and today our class is about chapter number 3. So let's get started. There is a Vichi. Vichi is location. Wa is and. Changsu. Changsu is places. Now in this chapter you will learn about the grammar 이가 있어요 and 이가 없어요. And in the other section, the second part of Munpop grammar, you will learn A with Changsu. Changsu is with places. Actually, A is used for indicating, for directions. In vocabulary section, you will learn Kagu. Kagu and Kagu is furniture. Wa and Chonja Chepom. Chonja Chepom is electronics. And you will also learn about Changsu places. In Munhwa, you will learn about the Korean cities. Now here this person, he is saying television, television은 어디에 is where, 있어요. Where is television? 거실에 있어요. 거실 is living room. So television is in 거실. 거실에 있어요. So let's start. In OV section, there is 가구. 가구 is furniture. Wa and Chonja Chepom. Chonja Chepom is furniture and electronics. Chonja Chepom is electronics. Now there is a picture, and in this picture the following things are available. Aircon. Aircon is air conditioner. Then 침대. 침대 is bed. 의자, chair. 책상. 책상 is table. 옷장, closet. Now in the second picture, sofa. Sofa is sofa. Television is television. 전자레인지. 전자레인지 is microwave oven. 세탁기. 세탁기 is washing machine. 냉장고. 냉장고 is refrigerator. Vacuum cleaner is 청소기. Only 청소 is cleaning, but 청소기 is vacuum cleaner. 식탁 is table. Now there is a pogi. Krim is picture. Pogo. Pogo is see and watch. Pogiwa curtain. Like the pogi, like the example. Theva is conversation. 완성 하세요, complete. Complete the conversation like example. In the example there is bed. 이건 뭐예요? 이건 is this thing. 뭐예요? What is this thing? 침대예요. 침대예요. Because in the last 침대 is ending with a vowel. That's why we are adding 예요. 침대예요. This is a bed. Now in number 1, 이건 뭐예요? What is this? This is 식탁. 식탁 and the last letter is consonant. 식탁이에요. 식탁이에요. You will add 이예요. Number 2, 이건 뭐예요? What is this? Television. Television. The last letter is nian. Nian is a consonant. television이에요. television이에요. Number 3. 이건 뭐예요? What is this? This is 청소기. Now in the last there is a vowel. 청소기. 청소기. So we add 예요. 청소기예요. In our Munpop grammar section, we will learn E and Ga attaching with 있어요 and 없어요. In the last session, last some classes, you will learn E and Ga 아니에요. Before 아니에요, we must add E and Ga. Like this, 있어요 and 없어요. When you are attaching 있어요 and 없어요 at the end of your sentence, you must add E and Ga. If your word ending with a consonant, you will add E. When ending with a vowel, you will add Ga with your verb. Now there are some examples. 옷장. 옷장 is closet. The last letter is consonant. 옷장이 있어요. There is closet. 의자가. Ga is attached because last letter is vowel. 의자가 있어요. 의자가 있어요. This is chair. 컴퓨터가 없어요. 컴퓨터가. Ga is attached because the last letter is vowel. 없어요. There is no computer. Now there are some practice we have to do. In the Phogi, there is checksang and this is circle. Circle means issoyo. Cross means opsoyo. Now, checksang, the last letter is consonant. Cheksangi issoyo. This is checksang, table. Now, number 1, chimde is issoyo. Okay, chimdega issoyo because last is vowel. Next, sopaga opsoyo because cross is opsoyo. Sopaga opsoyo. In the next number 3, shiktak, the last letter is consonant. Shiktak e issoyo. Shiktaki issoyo. Now the last one is otjang. Otjang is also ending with a consonant. So we add e. Otjangi opsoyo. Now in the next picture we have a Phogi and after that we will complete our sentences. Now in this picture, 청소기가 있어요. Is there a vacuum cleaner in this picture? 아니요, no. 청소기가 없어요. 청소기가 없어요 means there is no vacuum cleaner. Now again watch this picture and number 1 is 에어컨이 있어요. Koni because last one is consonant. Aircon is air conditioner. Is there air conditioner? So in this picture there is a air conditioner. So we will say 네 에어컨이 있어요. Yes, there is aircon, air conditioner. Number 2, 냉장고가 있어요. 냉장고 is refrigerator. See the picture. There is no refrigerator in this picture. So we will say 아니요, 아니요. 냉장고가 없어요. There is no refrigerator. Number 3, 텔레비전이 있어요. Is there a television? Yes, there is. So we will say 네, yes. 텔레비전이 있어요. Yes, there is television. Now there is a conversation. So we will listen.
침대가 있어요?
침대가 있어요? Is there a bed?
네, 침대가 있어요.
네, yes, 침대가 있어요. Yes, there is bed.
옷장도 있어요?
옷장도 있어요. 옷장 is closet. Is there also a closet?
아니요, 옷장은 없어요.
아니요, no. 옷장은 we attach not none because 옷장 is ending with a consonant. 없어요. 옷장 없어요. There is no closet. 소파가 있어요.
소파가 있어요.
소파가 있어요. Yes, there is a sofa. So we answer 2 questions here. 옷장이 있어요. 아니요. Our answer is 아니요. 옷장이 없어요. The next one is 소파가 있어요. Yes, sofa is available. So we will say 네, 소파가 있어요. So there is a picture and there is a conversation made with these given words. After that we will make our sentences with these words following below. So 전자레인지가 있어요. Is there a microwave oven? 아니요, no. 전자레인지가 없어요. No, there is no microwave oven. 뭐가 있어요? What is this? 냉장고가 있어요. There is a refrigerator. Now we are going to make our sentences like checksang. Checksang is ending with a consonant. We must add e. 책상이 있어요. Is there a table? 아니요. 책상기가 없어요. 책상기가 없어요. No, there is no table. Next word is 의자. 의자가 있어요. Is there a chair? 네, yes, 의자 because there is a chair. We will say 네, 의자, 네, 의자가 있어요. There is a chair. Now there is a pronunciation. We just listen this.
1. 왜, 위,
In number 1, she say where, this is where, and we. Next,
2. 외국,
외국,
외모,
외모,
해외,
해외,
가위,
가위,
바위,
바위. Now our OV number 2. This is about Changso. Changso is places. Now there are some places and the names are given in the side. So Uisa is your company workplace. Shikdang is a restaurant. Eunhang, bank. Coffee shop is coffee shop. Pyeonijom is departmental store, small store. Shijang is market. Myeongshil is hair salon. Supermarket is supermarket. Yakuk is medical store and pharmacy. Pyeongwon is hospital. Ocheguk is post office. Now in the next picture we have Chib. Actually complete home is Chib. Now next is Pang. Pang is room. Hwajangshil is toilet or washroom. Khoshil is living area. Puok is kitchen. Now there are also some vocabulary in the side. Yogi is here. Yogi here. Khogi is there. Chogi is over there. When you are talking about the place and location, then you will say chogi. When you are talking about the thing that is over there, then you will say khogi. Odi is where and ki suksa is dormitory. In the next we have a phogi and after that we will complete our sentences. In the picture there is a office. So yoginan odiyeyo. Yoginan odiyeyo, it means where is this place? Samushili yeyo. Samushil ending with a consonant. Samushil yeyo. This is a office. Yoginan odiyeyo. What is this place? Yakuk ending with a consonant. Yakuk yeyo. Number 2. Yoginan odiyeyo. Havesa ending with a vowel. So we will say Havesa yeyo. Next, number 3. Yoginan odiyeyo. Pyeonijom. Pyeonijom is ending with a consonant. Pyeonijom yeyo. We will say Pyeonijom yeyo. Number 4. Myeongshil. Myeongshil is ended with a consonant. So we will say Myeongshil yeyo. Now we have Munfab number 2, grammar number 2. Actually this is A. A is indicating somewhere, some things for the time. And here he is talking about, the book is talking about Changso. Changso is places. When you are indicating places, you will add A. Like Wangmin-eun 사무실에 있어요. Wangmin is in 사무실. 침대는 방에 있어요. 침대, bed is in the 방, room. 거실에 소파가 있어요. There is a sofa in living room. Now there is some practice we have to do, but before that we have a phogi. Let's see. 사무실. We add A only. 사무실에. Computer, then we add E and ga before 있어요 and 없어요. 사무실에 컴퓨터가 있어요. Now, number 1. 부엌에 냉장고가 있어요. 기숙사에 침대가 있어요. 거실에 텔레비전이 있어요. 편의점에 전자레인지가 있어요. 방에 옷장이 있어요. 미용실에 의자가 있어요. Before 있어요, we must add e and ga. If our word is ending with a consonant, we add e. If ending with a vowel, we add ga. In the next, there is a phogi. After that, we make our sentences. In the phogi, there is a Pyongwon. Pyongwon is hospital. 니차는 어디에 있어요? Where is 니차? 병원에 있어요. 병원에 있어요. In number one, 타라 씨는 어디에 있어요? 식당. We have 식당. 식당에 있어요. Number two, 아지자 씨는 어디에 있어요? 집에 있어요. Only we add a with the place. 디안 씨는 어디에 있어요? 편의점에 있어요. 민민아웅 씨는 어디에 있어요? 화장실에 있어요. Now in the next we have conversation. So let's listen.
니찬한 씨는 어디에 있어요?
니차는 씨는 어디에 있어요? Where is 니차?
식당에 있어요.
식당에 있어요. She is in a restaurant.
아지자 씨도 식당에 있어요?
아지자 씨도 또 is also. 식당에 있어요. 아지자 she is also in the restaurant.
아니요. 아지자 씨는 미용실에 있어요.
아니요, no. 아지자 씨는 미용실. 미용실 is hair salon. 있어요. She is in hair salon. There are two questions we have to give answers. Number one, 니차는 식당에 있어요. 니차는 식당에 있어요. We will say 네 식당에 있어요. Next is 아지자 씨는 어디에 있어요? We will say 미용실에 있어요. Now there is also a conversation made with these two words. We will add our words after that. This is 여기는 어디예요? What is this place? 여기는 사무실이에요. This is office. 사무실에 뭐가 있어요? What is in the office? So next is 컴퓨터. 컴퓨터가 있어요. This is a computer in the office. Now our words are 거실 and sofa. 거실. 여기는 어디예요? Where is this place? 여기는 거실이 있어요. 거실이에요. This is a 거실. 거실 is a living area. Next is 거실에 뭐가 있어요? What is in the living area? Now our word is sofa. 소파가 ending with a vowel. That's why we add ga. 소파가 있어요. There is a sofa. Now this is only expression, daily life expressions. Let's listen.
알겠습니다.
알겠습니다 is I understand. I understood. 알겠습니다.
디안 씨, 이따 2시에 전화하세요.
이따 is later on. 2시에 about 2 o'clock. 전화하세요. Give me call. Call me at about 2 o'clock.
네, 반장님. 알겠습니다.
네, yes, 반장님 is a senior, your supervisor. 알겠습니다. I understand.